Okay.
Hey guys, it's Chris here. Welcome to the channel. Hope you're having a great day so far. Today I'm going to work on my next project, which is sort of a spring theme with a little girl and some bunnies and some birds and a picnic. So today's project though specifically is working on some bunnies. So for this project I'm going to be working in Procreate on my iPad Pro with my Apple Pencil, and actually more normally when I'm working on my iPad I like to work on my bed. So let's hop on over there and get started. I need some inspiration, so I'm off to Pinterest to get some shapes and some sort of body positions. I'm trying to think of what I would like my bunnies to do. So usually searching for kids is a good plan. Kids at play. So let's see what that brings up. I'm actually going to start with a reference that I've already drawn. I've already drawn this bunny, so I kind of want all the bunnies to look similar. So I'm going to just copy my canvas. And put that into my new cabinet just so I can get the same or similar proportions and the similar look and line weight. It'll just help me keep it a little bit more consistent throughout the whole project. Okay, so I wasn't really loving that. It wasn't working at all, so I'm gonna start again and try to make the body a little different position. I'm going to transfer this to my Dropbox and send it to my computer so I can put it into Illustrator and make the lines into a vector, like do an image trace and have it vector lines. It's going to make it a little bit of a rougher, just a certain look that I want. So I'm going to transfer it and I will see you in the computer. Okay, so I'm going to just select the little bunny and I'm going to ignore, I guess I should show you how to bring up the image trace. If you go to your window and go to image trace, it'll bring up the panel and you just want to click on it, and then I'm going to say ignore white because I just want the lines, and then I'm going to play with my threshold and the path. So I'm just going to up the threshold a little bit. I just know roughly where my settings are going to be. Looks like that, just like a little diagonal line. And I'm going to preview it, and it's going to say it's going to be a big file. Yes, we know. Okay, so that's what I have so far, and then I'm just going to see where I want it. I want it kind of rough like that, not too perfect at all. And I think I can probably go probably pretty good. Okay, so then I'm going to expand it, and then I'm going to send it as a PNG back to Procreate. So now I'm going to add my file that I just made in Illustrator. Bring it in and overlay what I already have. Doesn't really need to be perfect because I'm not going to actually use that, but anyway. And now we're ready to color. now I'm gonna go and do some more details. So I'm gonna actually select the bunny, the solid shape that I created, so that I don't color outside the lines. You just do automatic and select, hopefully, and there it goes. And then I will go on a different layer. So if I mess up, I can come back and fix it. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. That's bunny number 2 done in the series, and I'll have lots more, so stay tuned and make sure to check back to see the progress of the whole package that we're doing. And you can follow me on Instagram at pretty.little.lines, of course on the website prettylittlelines.com, and here on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and tune in. So have a great time, take care, enjoy your day.